Hey, what's up? This is July. And today we're going to make my mama's egg sandwich. We're using multi-grain bread, turkey deli meat, some American cheese slices, 2 eggs, some butter, and avocado. First, we're going to warm up the pan and add some butter. Next, add 2 eggs. Next, I'm putting my bread in the toaster so my timing is right when the eggs are fully cooked. I like to try to keep the eggs separated so they cook individually. I add my butter. I add my cheese. These are almost done here. These are over easy. I'm going to put some cheese on it just because I love me some cheese. Let that melt a few minutes. Actually, about 60 seconds. Put some peppers right there. I had the turkey to cook for about 30 seconds. Add avocado and enjoy. Even Scooby wants a taste.